This is the Leatherman Style, a brand new addition to the Leatherman line in 2010. It's known for its small size and light weight. It's a great addition to your keychain because it doesn't take up much room, and it's no bigger than a car key. The handle is made of anodized aluminum, and it's available in red, pink, blue, and black. Your logo can be laser engraved on that part of the handle. There's a handy keyring attachment there. The part here with the holes in it is the blade protector, and the blade's very sharp, so it's there when you need it. It snaps in place. It does not lock in place, but it snaps in there really good. On this side we have a heavy-duty pair of scissors. Not only do they cut paper very well, but if you fold it over several times, it does a really good job on that too. That's a real test of the ability of a pair of scissors. No problem there. We close the scissors. We find the nail file on this side. It opens with a little thumbnail insert. And this is a really good file. It's really highly abrasive. And at the end of it, there's a bit for flathead screws and Phillips screws. One more attachment on the style is the tweezers. They're hard to find because they're practically hidden there at the end of the handle, and they're high-grade tweezers. They meet together precisely. So that's the new Leatherman Style.